opese ya identify ye ho say asante mantem si ni twafo entimi nkoba say dwumadie na minister peso odi eboa ye na yaka ye ho abom no ana opese ye kan ye ho bom no ya nkasa na ye wo se ye kan ye ho bom no ya nkasa ye besa akwa ka kire minister say eni die mu a ye serew ye besa oboa ye ba ye besa obeka dwumadie na opese ana ekuo na opese ode nka mobum eba no enti na se de ye kire ne ye say se enede ya ye di nkomo enu nti na early on meka bibi say se obi wo ho na yen register na committee ne say leaders na omoda domains na no enne ye be ma akonya nyame adoma mesa ne committee no kra atu anamo akohu abrewa ye kohu abrewa me suggestion na me de be ma committee ne say time ni so nemo me mesa di agina mu mesa asre omo se omo nsa ma ye chena kra nsa mfa nka ho because enye obi ana ne oye den oba ha se de be ye betimi this information ya den akwa abontin enti so obi wo ho na wotwa sini efri sabi ebretintin ebesi ne na onka ye ho a dwumadie na minister pesi edi no eye dwumadie a ye nyina ye beka ye ho bo abom na ye be hye yafunu baako ase ye be hye yafunu baako ase a eno na aban ewo moa bi a obetimi ede ayeden aboaye meti a history me papa miracle emre bi ana ye di nkomo wo kire ye se emre bi nanka yewura nyame kese nanka o man asase ede aboa Kumawood se Kumawood ebetimi ede djuma
em se ye nua be ma uche wakasa bebre na domain na wo kase ohia o mo register book na ansa na ba no ye mu bebre wa ha ye njone eni domain bia enunti na me pese me hu se ya ye njone eni ekuo bia no aye individual ye adwuma no ye dru won ma abatwo no ye ntu bia na anonymous question.
Yo, Madam Simpany for me pamacho. I am secretary e can say be say platform. Bepe money me hu new platform bia wo me phone so.
O question no.
Me pa trying.
Yeah, ebe answer. When your mic no ma open.
Yo, that's
me pamacho good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Edine Mauli Peter. It's very unfortunate. I think you will share the last time here show names, you know, with your telephone numbers. But me, as at Thursday, and we catch him say platform be over here was so. I would check by Angel FM no, and I'm in a kind of them two platforms. So when it comes to say me person me contested position in Pona already know or casanate enyamba so but now or gas bema akwenya bio na o person will join here now the aba. Definitely there are some people the last time we came there the room was full. Maybe more I see almost so many platforms so is it going to be like ye be yen wa han ne say o person o kan wa kan once we know some people they came last 2 weeks omoni ya see 2 register na sem na o kan mesre pa say ye beto abana na ka platform na ye woso no oma obia listen me toso because on that fateful day e betimi aba na obi din nim say me abro me ba 5 pack mu na me din nim as a national PRO any possible but is in so moment to aba because me din enim ti me pa cho wono so yan hwe me damase
Fabra ni Muhammad
omo file for nominations and ye nyina ye behwa eye day na ye close nominations na day na ye de to platform ne so ye ma akwanya say obi bia oye a member of Kumawood na obi bia opese oka dwumadie ya ye di ohun ye ma akwanya say obi bia en register e ma ye de to platform ne so say eye obi bia opese wo contest should be a registered member of the domain na or contest no ebion obi bia oba beto aba bia nso e was ye registered member of the domain na oba beto aba no na endra na sa dwumadie no ebe wiye na me ne committee no edi enkomo no committee no e kire say obi wo wa asabi e bia na wante obi also cry ye ka say domain ni leader na opese ohia no ebi mpo a wantimi anye den enhia no nti ene dey a ye ba be hia mu ayo ye mma saa akonya no said de be ya obi bia onye registered no ebetimi a register na nyame adoma eda kwasi ada ne ye mpese ye beduru a ye say ebia khalifa ye ma ne ntoaba ana ye ma anamo ntoaba nti ye besere ye nyina ye nim say abato obi ani ho a ye ni voters register nti ye besere obi bia a wo pese wo beto aba no ye besere wo enne ye be masa akwanya no se obi bia be sa register nemom wo a wo contest no ye mane ye clear ewo platform ne so se obi bia or contest bia should be a registered member. Unfortunately one meje list no every omo ho no membo obi achi nemom ye domain leaders no ebi mo ha ebesi ne mensanka register no. I wouldn't want to play politics with this. I would want to be frank as much as possible with ye nyina. Omu nyina ya away say endra ena na was ye nsaka list no and am nsaka sa list no. Na medema electoral committee ni because committee ni ko hia ye no. Ye ne say enka enedai anka ye be publish sa list nimpo. Say de bia obi owa bia say wudi ni ma anka obo hu say wudi nya den enim nanka wa register nanka mana yefe domain 7 no ena me ne mo ka sei me receive 4 a list 4 na me receive no ba ku problem wo ho a me ne omudi ho nkomo wa akiri enti make me aka say me receive 3 4 na aka no me nsankan and say ene yemfa say ene kwa wie na me nsanka o was a committee ni sa atena se na ye hwe kwan ye de befa so. We are doing our very best. Say election we know yem mane nkoye say sebi committee bi na kwotena ba bi no mo hye mra no mo de be hye yekon ana minister bi no otena ba bi no hye mra e de hye yekon nemmum ye pese Kumawood na ankasa ye na ene de yete ya na ye players no ye pese mumu only elections no na mo hu say ya ankasa na ye choose ye leaders e mo koye de Kumawood board enti say omo ko take decision bia omo represent ye enti se uye domain leader na wo ha ana se wunye domain leader na emomu wo domain bi mu a na nka me pese me de domains no betudwa but me de betudwa ne ye hu ba bi a okay me ne chairman bedwen hu se me fa ntudwa ne ye hu ba bi a enyam bae because we would not want to cover certain things yaye election rules are nanka meboboso. But na me say me ne chairman ebesusu bibi won asu say domains na me sanka omo list no ya de betudwa na say ye mfa ntudwa meboso but quick mami answer question we
em say aha hia ye pa domains na womo informal list emma asat ye meeting no pacho my we need to know yekuo obi anfa bibi ensie na womo leaders no my hu ebi na bibi na esi kwan bi ne ban kro yare de ekoso onte ya ne yetu anamo ne yensa aken less de atoyaba pacho ma yehu munne me ya adwensa. Thank you. Let's know.
All right, inti first one 7 domains no you receive audiovisual rights there which is ASOC you receive directors there and new media, but new media no the receive so far YouTube for list and receive. And see if there are marketers any distributors are more yentema platform ne so no ye tag nipa or ye in charge because list na receive ye no head and also YouTube and also so unfortunately franking so anyhow na ye no edisa nkomo no. Enti crew you receive crew but there was a challenge with it enti Endra many Alejandro di hon komo which I am expecting say I was saying nyame adoma ene we should be able to resolve sa we say no ene ye beba meeting I think say around 12:30 or baby and Zango for so SND omode so as at now list meet me akasa comprehensively Omuka no omo register Zango, but it is the complete and our problems any home as at now. I met me akano Zango audiovisual and a directors. New media not to say they make no unless YouTubers and Kwana edi omo list ever for new media. Other than that, it means the marketers and distributors would have to register onto new media for the no. I am yet to receive any list for producers. Iti me pacho mensa be kanene. Iti me pacho mensa be kanene.
Pacho yama kwen pie ne frɛ no. See here and then I do back train. Why? You read why be on the san kan my own.
I was here rectify a idea no. Your friend is include there no. Now you rectify new media there no. Women in film no. Or baby or you registered onto any domain has a chance to vote. Enti ehonum there no sanity. Enti I think there baby are problems one here. Crew producers and new media.
Producers.
Producers I know na wepia okoye ho ko.
And a crew no.
And a crew na Alejandro enti.
The regional secretary is also.
Whatever right. Yes I can. Pacho place. Crew sorry my. Yen na crew no. The crew belongs to the people. Crew yes I can na way.
Hopefully crew no listen with the amount but challenge no can.
With the amount way.
The amount which challenge no can a number.
It may ratify by the close of today or tomorrow. Thank you. Or see and some can in there. Good. And him be only and sign count more or more.
And a new media so Frank
New media for no.
Frank Nedoman. YouTubers. And you make us say unless that is the only group I say can. We are taking everything through one person, which is Frank. Lester Frank are presenting Amame now. YouTubers. So if there are marketers and distributors, or if there are other people who would want to be on the we say no, I was say Omodema Frank no or Sabentiano Zonka. Okay, Zach.
Suggestion. New media.
Pacho me interior. Mama the mic. Mama the mic, mommy.
In Kumawood, yes, I want marketers and distributors association. Me kase new media no. We YouTube now. Yes, I want marketers and distributors are omono so organized with membership. Enti me suggesting say mama yam free marketers no Mispa. I think he's one of their leaders. Ono nso benya register of marketers and distributors no. Na odi aka YouTubers no ho. O kan me easy e kan me no ma na eno abe register for new media. Na ebi obi ba be ka ho na aka but o gine ni baba akọ ha be den. Ebi number 2 producers no. Yehi Kumasi ha Kumawood no. 5-pack Ashanti list no nko. E na akan for us who register fully registered members. Enti kamesre say producers no the base list I be use no. Yenye miracle no James Awaji ombetuma boya me enya akan omo list wo ho. Nti enya akan producers list na. Ni enya 5-pack Ashanti for list na ne mienu ebomu a be sure say ye benya base producers in Kumawood. They are picking it from there.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Enti within the week no Mespa Efreme enemy din komo and Emerson Woni clarification to say the America enti I explained to Mespa Zach the Emerson we preview to 1 or 2 conversations. The main reason ananka ye per list no sanki ensa timi can list ni nyina by Endra. The committee was supposed to work on the list nanka na ye hie ke de nyina to dwa say be asa anwoma we nyina yebetimi ayewe say there can only be one person who is in charge of that. Enti say e was a akan my list na e was a different person my list yebetimi take care of one person no yenim say fifi na ye in charge of the producers. Enti omonkambom na sa list ni nyina yenje sa list ni nyina in one yenti be nje producers list baako emfree bishop ho na yengoji producers list baako emfree zako na yenje another one emfree Alejandro ho. Enti mesere do ye in charge no me pacho chief em say o say Okay, enti yanya nti say there is another group of producers akan. Eti minim se mo list na mo de ba no, if those producers are again in there and answer omuniwa. All right. Okay, enti once we receive one uniform list, I be encompass all producers. I think that should solve the problem. Eti mesere mo ni nyina ye hia ne because you were just 1 week. E was here na edina e duplicate wo other domains ni yetimi streamlining ni nyina